The advantage of human semen is like most of the stuff is DNA.
I get it. It's a good source.
This is around 1944. So at this point, people are already trying to justify that DNA is really the thing that carries this genetic information.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Erwin Chargaff at the University of Columbia in Manhattan, he uses this technique of partition chromatography to look at what is the base composition of this DNA across species. Okay. Because quantify how much A is there in a species, how much T is there, how much G and how much C. Levine has said that they're all equal and they're just creating the scaffold, right?
Okay.
And Chargaff went out to say, okay, is this actually true? Okay. And he actually dismantled that hypothesis by showing that there's species-specific variation, meaning like the amount of A's and T's that I have is different from the amount that the cow has, is different from the amount that a pig has from a bird, and so on and so forth.
That makes sense.
He came up with a rule that said there's actually a pairing ratio.
Okay.
The A and the T are always the same amount.
Interesting.
And the G and the C are always the same amount.
Okay.
And if you look at that, this is an expert from his paper. The source is actually, this is for humans. It actually comes from human semen.
We love it.
Yeah. I mean, these guys, when you're doing science at the cutting edge, you got to get down into the weeds.
You got to go to the source.
With human semen, the sperm cell is like mostly just packaged DNA and a tail.
So it's pure alpha.
Yeah, exactly. Like the most of the stuff that's in there is like your DNA.
It's what you're looking for.
It's what you're looking for. So he used that and he showed that, you know, with humans, the A and T's were about 35%.
Yeah.
And the C and G's were the rest. And then when he looked at, let's say, cows, he found a different ratio. And with pigs, he found a different ratio. But the ratios always came in these pairs.
And that's true across species.
Across species. The numbers could be different.
The proportion of it is a little different.
Yeah.
But in everything, the A and T's are hanging out and the C's and G's are hanging out. Okay.
Exactly. So we're getting clues into what DNA is, right?
Right.
We're getting slowly, we're honing down into this. These are called Chargaff's rules, which is the A equals the T, the C equals the G, and they all add up to 100%.
Everything we have today is building off of the shoulders of the people who came before, who asked maybe simpler questions.
Yeah.
That allowed us to ask now more complex questions.
Yes, exactly.
And we're kind of going through an example of that journey.
Yeah.